Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to make this raised panel cabinet door and solid wood door by this CNC center. This is a 3-axis CNC center specially designed for cabinet doors, solid wood doors, and even for windows. It got function not only for shaping and also for drilling. Especially designed for door cabinet door with frame and panels. It got 2 spindle, which is 11 kilowatt power, and on each spindle you can place 2 shaper cutters to use alternatively for rail and steel and also for the panel. Additionally, there is a 5 kilowatt spindle motor for drilling and also for do some grooving works. There are 2 guiding fins, which is used for the reference, and one is stable and another one is movable. And it can tune automatically according to the width of your workpiece. To fix the workpiece stable without moving, we have 2 pushing foots, and the workpiece got double pressure so that it is stable and non-moving. The machine got 4 working stations for short pieces. The maximum length for the working table is 2,500 millimeters. And there are 4 working stations, and you can raise it up for short pieces and get it down for long pieces work. When you raise it up, the edge will be the reference. There are many shapes available in the program. You can just choose one shape you need and then just tap in the width of the material, length of material, and the shape you need, and the setting can be fast in 1 minute. One shaper cutter runs clockwise to cut half of the material, and another one runs anti-clockwise to cut another half. So this will efficiently avoid edge breaking. And for different size, different shape, material, the program will choose the cutting roof automatically. And this machine both suitable for bulk production or for customized. Working for each shaper cutter is only half works, so it's very light duty to the cutters. So the cutters is 3 times longer life than normal use in a spindle moulder. And you can make this 4 working station work one time, which is extremely efficient. The precise shaping makes the assembling very easy. And this machine also suitable for 45-degree frame jointing. Thanks for watching.